And we're back to learn Photoshop in a year, day 220. Let me show the chalk and charcoal filter right here in the filter gallery. You will find that in the folder for sketch. It's the second option, or just use the drop down where it's alphabetically sorted right here. You have 3 ways to adjust it. As the first one, I would say check out the stroke pressure. Usually the extremes aren't really usable. A value of 1 or 2 is mostly what you need. And then you can adjust the charcoal and the chalk area via the other 2 sliders. And basically the charcoal is the black area and the chalk is the bright area, you could say. So higher values for chalk will give you more white, more brighter results, and higher values for charcoal will make them a little bit thicker and darker. I'm fine with this result. Don't forget to confirm we are okay. And this is how easy you can turn, for example, this photo into a chalk and charcoal drawing. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.